IGNOU is offering the Diploma in Paralegal Practice (DIP) in the January 2025 admission session, a first-of-its-kind program offered by a central university in India. Designed as an open and distance learning (ODL) initiative, this professional postgraduate diploma is available in both English and Hindi, making it accessible to a wider audience. Program Overview. The Diploma in Paralegal Practice aims to equip learners with essential paralegal skills, empowering them to effectively navigate and utilize the Indian legal system. Grounded in the constitutional principles of dignity, equality, and justice, this program addresses the socio-economic disparities by emphasizing the constitutional guarantee of legal aid. Eligibility and duration. Minimum qualification, 10+2 or its equivalent. Duration, 1 to 3 years. Fee 8,400 rupees. Target audience. This program is ideal for individuals who aspire to gain a functional understanding of the judicial and legal systems, develop basic skills for accessing and utilizing legal systems effectively. Career opportunities. Graduates of this program can explore employment opportunities as paralegals, assisting lawyers, law firms, and NGOs in diverse areas such as legal research and drafting, interviewing clients, advocacy and public awareness initiatives. Key objectives. The Diploma in Paralegal Practice aims to build a robust understanding of the legal and judicial systems and the laws affecting individuals daily. Provide foundational skills for accessing legal institutions and judicial processes. Empower individuals to engage in public advocacy. Create a cadre of barefoot lawyers to bridge the gap between the vulnerable population and the legal system. Expert guidance. The program is led by esteemed faculty, including Drive Anand Gupta, who has been instrumental in designing a curriculum that merges academic rigor with practical insights. How to apply? Interested candidates can visit the official university website for further details and application procedures.